The Skylink Atoms 1611C garage door opener offers quality features at a competitive price. It may provide advanced warning of impending problems. Its diagnostic LCD displays clear warnings, such as F for exceeding force or B for blocked safety sensors, to prevent costly repairs in the future rather than relying on cryptic noises or baffling lights. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's unbox this garage opener and see what's in the box. You will get the Atoms 1/2 HPF garage door opener, 1-button remote, safety sensor, push button, and sectional rail kit. Skyline's ATR 1611 runs quietly thanks to its 1/2 HPF motor. It weighs 27.5 pounds and measures 27.5 by 8 by 4.5 inches. In addition to the 12W LED, this garage door opener features a push-button, 1-button remote control, a chain drive system, and a 7-foot sectional rail. It is available only in white color. There are several features of Skyline's ATR 1611, including quiet drive technology, LED lighting, a powerful motor, an anti-braking drive system, a diagnostic display, and backup battery compatibility. You may also check today's price and complete specifications through the link in the description. Skyline's ATR 1611 is very quiet. Despite being slower, it is also less jerky, which means it will last longer. When you push the button, the LED light automatically turns on when you push the button and is very bright. In a nutshell, considering remote control, noise level, motion detection, value for money, and ease of installation points, we rate it 8.8 out of 10. After analyzing longtime users' feedback and comments posted on different e-commerces, we found that consumers are delighted about the built-in 12W LED for long-lasting illumination, in-car remote compatibility, easily installed components, and integration with Orbit Smart Home Control. And it is compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT. However, the user is dissatisfied because it is not compatible with smartphones. After careful consideration, we've concluded that the Atoms at 1611 is a decent choice for those who don't want to spend much but yet need access to advanced features. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with more shopping advice soon, so stay tuned.